First of all, you have to log into your eCampus. So I'm sure that you know how to log into your eCampus. I don't really think I need to brief you on that, so I'll just skip that part. So as a start, there's this one button that you have to click before you do anything. Can you see this one? Customize this page on your right panel. Yeah? Okay, you click this. There you go. You can start to edit whatever things that you want or upload any files or create any activities that you want. But before we start to explore the features of the quiz together, I would like to share with you some of the quizzes that I have done with my students before this. So let's have a look at one of my classes here. Okay, this one, PC2 English for Business Communication. Alright, here's the page. You can see that I start with course overview here, and I have all the information related to the course. I even insert the Telegram group link here for the students. And then I plan everything according to week. Alright, this is my weekly lesson plan. I arrange them according to week, like week 1, and then I have the dates, week 2, week 3 with the dates, and so on. Okay, I find it quite useful, not just for the students, for us as well, because we just have to check through our course outline, alright, and then we just upload anything that we want based on that particular week. So when we assign anything to the students, we just have to inform the students, okay, refer to week 3, complete everything in that particular week, and that's it. Alright, so let's have a look at this one, week 3. You can see that I have instruction here. Okay, I prefer to list out all the instructions for the students. It's easy for them to follow. If not, believe me, you'll receive lots of questions in your WhatsApp group and your Telegram group later on. Alright, students will asking you about this, about that. Okay, to avoid all this, might as well you just list out everything clearly for them. Okay, another key point is notice that when I list out the instruction here on top here, and when I upload the particular file, I spell out exactly the same. Alright, read the reading passage and then reading passage file exactly the same. Okay, why? Because again, it's easy for the students to follow, because when they read through the first instruction, alright, they just have to click this one. Okay, then it will lead them to that particular page. If you do not have the same name like what you uploaded here, then they will have to check for it. Where's the reading passage? Where's the reading quiz? Alright, and then again, you will receive tons of questions in your WhatsApp group later on. Alright, so, and then you notice that this is a quiz, a reading quiz. So it's actually, there's a set of questions, alright, based on a reading passage. Students have to read through the passage in order for them to answer the questions. So I purposely uploaded the file separately instead of inserted the passage into the quiz. Well, you can do so, but I didn't really do that way, as the reading passage is kind of lengthy, so I had it separately. So we can have a look at this. Yeah, so this is the reading passage. Alright, yeah, like I told you, it's kind of lengthy. Okay, let's go back to our eCampus. Okay, next, I'd like to share with you this one, a reading quiz. Okay, again, I have instruction here. And then you can view how many students have already tried this out. So click the attempt. then you can view the name of the students here. You can check out their grades over here. You can also check out question by question from question 1 until question 13. Alright, for example, like for the students, only question 9 until 13 that she actually got them correct. The rest are all wrong. Okay. Sorry. Let's go back to this page. Okay, let's take a look at the questions. So this is the page that we can actually view our students' answer, and students actually can get the same page as well. Okay, if you look at the right panel here, these are all the questions for this reading quiz. Okay, 1 until 8 all wrong, 9 until 13 all correct. And then for example, like question 1, it's a short answer kind of questions. Alright, they just have to type the answers here. And notice the correct answers here. Alright, I let the students view the answers again. This is ungraded quiz, so I let them view the answers so that they can actually check the answers on their own. If it's a graded one, I would suggest not to. And then apart from subjective question, I also have true or false kind of question. Okay. Alright. Let's have a look at previous semester. Maybe we can look at this one, PC1. I would like to show you the listening test. Alright, again, you can have all the instructions here. And then, okay, you look at this one. To attempt this quiz, you need to know the quiz password. So once students click on the quiz, alright, and there's this questions pop out asking them to key in the password. So they need the password to get into that quiz. Later on, we will explore together how to come up with the password. Okay, so here are their scores. Okay, you will see something different here. Alright, this is an objective question. You have a short paragraph here with all the blanks, and they just have to choose. They have to click the button here, and then there's a list of choices that they can choose from. Again, true or false kind of questions. And then maybe we try another one. Let's see. Okay, listening test. Okay, again, subjective kind of questions. True or false. Okay, question 9. Alright, they have to select one from all the choices here. Something different from previous one. Okay, that's it. Alright,